0.
The upcoming segment discuss content that is of adult nature. The views and opinions expressed are not that of the SABC and are that of participating contributors and listeners, and do not reflect that of the official policy or position of Metro FM.
Finally, it's that time. 24 minutes after 10 o'clock. Good morning, South Africa. Hope you well. The Naked DJs right here. We are here with Anonymous and, of course, finding out what advice they need. Let's bring on Anonymous. Good morning, Anonymous. How are you?
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I am great, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Anonymous. Okay, I'm going to read the house rules and then I'm going to allow the Naked DJ and everyone who is ready to help you take over. Anonymous, the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to kindly extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree?
Oh, yes, I agree, ma'am.
All right. Anonymous, talk to us. What's happening?
Okay, here is the situation. I've been in a relationship with this lady for some couple of years. I think it's been 8 years, and then we broke up last year. So I tried to move on, and then on the socials, I met this other lady. We didn't talk about age and other things. And then we met last year around November. And then our first date, because we've been talking on the phone, after we've exchanged numbers from the social, we've been talking on the phone, and then our first meetup, we booked a very nice place around somewhere. It was a getaway, and then when we get there, everything was cool. Everything was cool. I complimented her. Oh, you look good, you smell good. She also said the same thing to me. And then we did the thing.
That's right.
So our first time doing it, like it was raining, naked.
Yeah, that's right.
It started raining. Like first round it was raining, and then second round it was raining. The weekend was cool.
You made it rain,
the
my
weekend
brother.
was cool.
That's right. It was wet everywhere. Yeah.
Everywhere, yeah.
And you wore a raincoat in the rain, né? You wore the raincoat.
Yes.
Good man.
Yes, I was wearing I was wearing a raincoat.
That's right.
I was wearing a raincoat. I think that's where maybe I should have seen the issue here, because the issue here is the age. But when we didn't talk about age, she just asked me, how old are you? I was like, I'm on my 30s.
Okay.
Like, oh, okay. And then she didn't tell me her age.
And you didn't ask?
No, I didn't ask.
Okay.
I didn't ask because the age issue, we spoke about it while we were on a talking stage. It was before we met.
Okay.
So after we met, we just hit it going. So on a Sunday, after that long weekend, we came to my place, and then she was like, "Nah, I can't sleep here. Wara. Tomorrow I have to go to work." I was like, "Oh no, it's fine. Not tomorrow. I'm not working. Let's go to your place." She said to me, "Let me ask my daughter first," because she just told me that she has a child, but she didn't tell me that she has 2 children. Now I thought it was teenagers, only to find out that these children are old. This lady, she's old.
Yeah, Banna. What is old, Anonymous?
Talk to us, Anonymous. Give us numbers.
She's on her 50s, and now I'm on my 30s. So I think she's 22 years older than me.
So the kids, how old are the kids? Probably almost your age.
I'm 1 year older than the firstborn.
Hey, Banna.
And then I think I'm 8 years older than the secondborn.
Okay.
So when we get there, only to find out that she only stays with the secondborn. She doesn't stay with the firstborn. The firstborn stays somewhere. Which obviously I can't mention, because if they are listening, they might hear. Maybe the firstborn, he might hear that, oh, this guy is talking about my mom, or this guy is talking about us.
Yeah. Sure.
So I've never met the guy.
And nobody likes anybody sleeping with their mothers.
Yes, there's the issue, because every time when the guy, because now we met. Remember we met last year. Now when the guy wants to come and visit, she denies the guy. She said, "No, don't come. I'm not around. What? When I'm around, she tells the guy that she's not around.
Yeah.
Or what?
Mm-hmm.
So I think she is hiding from the guy.
Don't say the guy. Say her son. She's hiding you from her son, who is your who is your peer, like in Tanga.
Yes. Yes. And the funny part is that
there's a funny part. Okay, the guy has
a big. I saw the guy I saw the firstborn from a picture on her phone.
Yeah,
the boy has a bigger body than mine.
Okay.
And facially, I have a baby face, so I think maybe she did the comparison, and then she looked at her son, and then she looked at me, and she saw that this guy is young. So now she's denying the guy access to come and see her when I'm around.
Okay.
Even other relatives, when they come, she hides me in the room. She just say, go and sit in the bedroom, and then they will sit on the lounge and talk when they are gone, and then she'll call me to come out.
Okay, Anonymous, listen, we're gonna go to the news headlines. After the news headlines, we have to get to the juice. Okay. Then you need to tell us what is really going on. All right?
Okay.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
Headlines at 10:30.
Everybody hands go up. Get into it. Let the good times roll. Turn it up.
My station, my music.
It's Metro FM, the biggest commercial radio station in the land. We won't stop. Woo! Keep it locked, Tim Zanzi's favorite radio station. Non-stop entertainment with nothing but the best.
Let's go.
We are the heartbeat of the nation. Metro FM. It's where you want to be.
Thank you very much, Hopedi Dilakwe, for the news headlines. Right now, we've got Anonymous on the line. A bit of a summary before we continue with the Naked DJ and Somizi. Anonymous has been with his partner on and off for several years now, with the main issue between them being their age gap. He's in his 30s, she's in her 40s. They are now back together, and the relationship is generally fine, but she was he found out that she has 2 children in their 20s, and she's also hiding Anonymous from her children and other people in her life. So that's where we are with Anonymous, right?
She's in her 50s.
That's what I said. She's in her 50s, he's in his 30s.
Yeah, okay, cool. So, Anonymous?
Hello.
Yeah, we're back here. So you need to give us that juice. And, I mean...
Yes, to correct Kutsone.
Please do.
I met Anonymous last year November. Then my previous relationship was the one of years. So after I lost that relationship, that's why I met Anonymous on social media.
Yes, thank you, Anonymous. Media. Again, she is 50, right? 50.
In her 50s.
50 plus.
50 plus. Got you. Okay.
Yeah.
She's some 50 plus.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Okay, I will say Kili 70s, Nageli 90s.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aman.
I wait too.
Yeah. So now, because we are in a relationship, I feel like maybe she has trust issues. She always accusing me of cheating. Like we are always on video calls.
Yeah,
like she will call me with a video call to an extent that data will deplete, and I will celebrate that. Oh, finally I'm out of data. Yeah, because like I'm also tired of this data. And then after I will see a notification. Your data have been provisioned. What? She bought me data so that you can be constantly on the video call. Whether I'm at work, whether she's at work.
She misses
she wants to see me.
Yeah, she
wants
misses
to see me. No, I also blame myself on this one because I when I'm with her, I become this. When we do the bedroom things, I become this thing, man. I'm that guy who's always pushing over.
Ushapa high score.
Yes. I'm always trying to get a 10/10.
My brother.
So
Yeah.
I think that's the problem. So the problem now is that she's demanding video calls, accusing me of cheating. The other day she came to my place without telling me. The only thing I saw, it was her car parked outside. I was like, yo, what's going on now?
And
I think
who
maybe
did
she
you
believes
have?
that.
Did you have anybody at your place?
No, I was alone. The problem is that I told her that I used to stay with my ex.
Yeah.
You know?
Okay.
So, and then after we broke up with my ex left. So I
Do
think
you
she
ever
doesn't
cheat on her,
believe-
Anonymous? Do you ever cheat on her?
No. I'm one person who believes in this thing called one love. I think as human beings we have one heart, so there's no way you can share your heart with different people. So she doesn't believe me. And also she keeps on saying, why a guy who looks like you is singing? There's no way a guy who looks like you is singing.
But you're not
I
single,
know
Mos.
that
Gandhi, hold on. You guys are in a relationship, right? Or is she just using you for sex?
No, we are in a relationship.
Do you-
She even told her mom and other relatives about me.
Her mom is still alive.
Yes.
Okay. So, Anonymous, does she ever take you to public places? Hand in hand.
I'm the one who insists that no, let's go. I think like maybe she's shy now because I'm the one who say, no, babe, let's go to the park, let's go to the mall together, let's hold hands, let's do this. Because physically I look older than her. But
Shange
yeah,
pulls
now
her
she's
face.
more shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I don't have a pussy face, but just that physically,
Yeah.
like I have muscles, I'm taller than her, or what.
Okay.
And then it doesn't look like mother and son.
Son, what I'm trying to ask.
Facially,
Yeah,
I have that.
Yeah, no, why I'm asking you that, I'm trying to see whether she's hiding you, not only from the family, but she also doesn't want to be seen in public with you. Whether when you are she's using you for sex. You know what I mean? Do you ever feel like she's using you for sex, or you feel it is a proper relationship?
For me, I think it's a proper relationship based on the things that we have already shared. Because sometimes I do go to her place. Remember, she stays with her.
Aye, man, Anonymous, you can't, like, if you only going to her place, that's a private place. It's not public. I want to know how much she shows you off in public, how much she shows you off to her friends, or if every time you guys see each other, it's at the B&B or it's at her place for sex.
She usually posts me, and then she also told her colleagues about me that no, I'm dating this guy. He's so clean. Because sometimes when I'm off, when I'm at her place, sometimes when I'm alone, I will clean the house and other things. And those stuff. And she also told her colleagues about me. And then that's where I realized that no, she's not shy. But the problem is that I think the only person that she doesn't want to show this relationship to is the boy child.
Okay. The
And
boy
the
child
being
that
of
is a
IQ.
man. Let's stop calling him a boy child. He's in his 30s, for goodness sake.
Yes.
And now you're calling him a boy child, but you are that age. Are you a boy child?
No, I'm her father. I'm his father now. So literally, he's the boy child.
Evan, this guy,
I'm
Anonymous. Hi.
I'm his father now.
Okay.
So
Mizi, ask him Uguti what he needs. Because we work.
Yes. What do you need, Anonymous?
for me, I lost a lot in my previous relationship, the one that lasted longer, because bangishaya ngestina and out nje ngiyibonile yabona, and I did a lot to my previous ex, and then so I'm trying to fill that gap of at least being with someone who I know she will never leave me. But here I am, I'm stuck with someone who doesn't trust me.
Okay. Oh, Anonymous. Have you, when I healed from the previous hurt of the previous relationship?
I tried therapy, but I don't think I've healed, because my ex this other day she also texted me and about those things. I think she texted me, said good night and stuff. I think wherever she is failing in these relationship things. But for me, I don't think I've healed.
And
I don't think so.
You don't think you're over your ex?
I don't think so, because now she's making things a little bit worse, because sometimes she will send me our picture and say, hey, here we used to look good, and our relationship was popular, known, like we're on socials and other things.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think the problem starts there, Anonymous. But let's do what we need to do, and then we'll come back. We're gonna delve into it, right? Okay. Siyabuya.
All right.
Sharp.
Get so much more.
You get so much more with the ShopRite price.
Metro FM, it's where you want to be at 41 minutes after 10 o'clock. The Naked DJ, Sombizi are here. And of course, we've got Anonymous on the line. Anonymous, you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Perfect. So,
All right. And before I get, something's bothering me that Naked said, and I'm like, and I can't let it go.
let's go.
Okay. What's bothering?
So he said the lady introduced him to the mom, and then you ask the dumbest question.
Okay. What was it?
He said, is the mom alive? Like, wenzeni uthi mama vuke ngoba sini uthi introduce her. Ngwanaka. Like, what? The fridge. What were you thinking, the Naked? I just want to get your state of mind. Uthi she introduced me to her mom.
Yes.
Kanjani ngesmaweni? What were you thinking?
I wasn't thinking clearly.
You were thinking like me. You were not thinking straight.
Oh my God.
Clock. All right, Anonymous, indawo yakho honestly ingiphathisa idwaten.
Why?
Ne? Uyazi idwaten? Ilento lengakwazi nokuyinwaya ingiphatha because you haven't dealt with what happened in your previous relationship. You just jumped into a relationship and wajampela evuma dlozi lam. Wangena nedlozi into a relationship. So, here's what you need to do. There's nothing you can do. Ayikho into a worse than umuntu omdala or insecure. There's nothing you can do about it. They're going to be your worst nightmare.
Yeah, because now I'm fearing for my life, because I showed this person where I stay, and now she will just pop up without calling.
Yes,
and then
so
like, I'm open the gate.
Here's what you need to do. See, really low partly with us at our age, ne? Guys, you must listen to this. At our age, when you reach 50, everything becomes magnified. If you are insecure, you become extremely insecure. If you are secure, you become extremely secure to a point that your partner would think umthandi, because things that are supposed to trigger you don't move you. Things are supposed to worry. Umuntu amakathi ngisegroovini ithi no problem baby, safe, all right, sharp, ngiyalala ne ungangivusi zongithola endlini sharp. Acabanga ukuthi you don't care kanti you are content. But more insecure, no, even your partner when they sneeze, you like usniziswa ilento oqeda kuyenza izolo. You understand? So there's nothing you can do. You need to cut your losses. Cut. Shia umama ekhaya. Cut umama ekhaya. Cut the relationship, because it's going to be your worst. She's going to treat you like her child. Yes. You're gonna have to report everything. You're gonna have to explain everything. Blah 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 blah. So don't do that. Cut. Because she's dealing with 50 years of traumas that she didn't deal with, and they have nothing to do with you. Okay? Right? Sharp. 2. I've got 3 things to say to you. 2. Block your ex. Because usazokuphinda nizokuphinda kabuhlungu. Because uyakubona ukuthi ugullible and vulnerable. Ne?
Yeah.
Cut your ex wakho. Block. There's no need to look too many times. We used to look good. We used to. It's the past. You remember the say with from the greatest poet of all time, Som G. Athi umsuzo awubuyele emuva.
Yeah.
Write that down. Umsuzo awubuyele emuva. So your ex you must block. Lastly, stop finding comfort in misery. Wena. Yeah, thanda ukuba Victoria Beckham, thanda ukuba victim. Stop it. Man up, fussy painty, fussy trunker, and be strong and straight up. Okay? Yeah. Ngalokuthi Maria thanda ungifone, latha qina ndoda qina. Qina ndoda qina. Go find yourself, and the next relationship, don't get into it out of desperation. Okay. Heal from your past. Yes. Heal from your past so that you can be a better man for the next woman. Lava tu bakate completely.
You know, but the strangest thing, G, is also when he says this older woman that I'm dating is so insecure, blah 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 blah. But Anonymous is still communicating with his ex.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, but then why are you calling her insecure? She's got things to be insecure about. The problem is you. You can't be saying, she's so insecure. She shows up. I used to live with my ex. Your ex is still talking to you. Your ex is still sending pictures. You're still in communication with your ex. She's got things to be insecure about.
But she
you never know. Women
that.
Intuition. How do you know? No, but let me tell you. Sometimes
when the text came in, she was not
exactly.
No, but guys,
there's nothing you can do.
You know, this 50-year-old woman is getting great sex from a young man, and she's thinking, ish, even though I know Witty is still talking to that ex and still snacking, but you know, as you said, Anonymous, sexually you give her 10 out of 10. You think she wants to lose 10 out of 10?
And the other day we slept on a wet bed. The bed was so wet.
Wow.
So wet. Oh
wow. So
the bed was so wet.
But we the is squatter camp.
Yeah.
Squatter camp.
Yeah.
Always raining.
When it's always raining. And then when now you expect her to let go of this.
Yeah, she must. He must.
So do you understand?
No, I'm expecting her to be normal.
No, Mina, the craziest thing my father ever said to me, and I think I was in my 20s when he said this. He said, never call a woman crazy, because when uyazi ukuthi umuphani emhlanyisayo. You know? So Anonymous,
yeah.
you know what you're giving her, and you know how you are giving it to her. And then you're going to turn around and say, she's the problem. And you do know what you're doing on the side, because you would have. Why haven't you? Okay, give me one good reason why your ex isn't blocked. One good reason.
There are some clothes that she left here. So
one good reason. She salezo impahla. Burn those clothes.
Can you answer the full question?
No, there's some clothes.
I didn't hear the full.
But he's been dating the old woman since November.
Shh. Anonymous, answer the question without being disturbed. Why? One good reason why you haven't blocked your ex.
Yeah, there are some stuff here, and then she said she will send someone to come and fetch them.
Stuff where her stuff.
Yes, like clothes and sneakers.
Okay.
So
go drop them off.
Gogonaga, when she comes and visits you at your place, doesn't she see female sneakers and clothes?
I hide them in the other room.
But then you've been saying the problem is Ugogo. No, but so easy. No, my brother. No, he deserves a cheeky one.
No,
my brother. You can't treat people
does
this
not
way.
Chica their clients.
Therapist.
We
Anonymous. Ngicela, please
speak to him, not at him.
Anonymous.
Yes.
Start thinking straight.
I remember when I get into this relationship with this old lady, I told her that here's my situation. I was staying with someone, because even the first time she came in, she saw the pink Vaslab in the bathroom.
Now
she asked me that.
Hold on.
Is the pink Vaslab still there?
Guys, my worry is that we haven't given Anonymous a solution.
No, it was that time.
Wait,
that time it was
Anonymous,
it was still here.
Okay, my putwam. We are running out of time, and I don't want you to leave here without getting an answer. I suggested that you stop both. Naked, can you give a solution and stop reprimanding? A solution. We've got 2 minutes left.
Be better. Be a better human being, please.
How so?
Okay.
Stop doing people wrong and then turning around and then say they are crazy and saying they are insecure.
So what must he do now with the relationship?
Yabona, all those clothes, Namava Slapa Pink.
Yeah.
Take them, my brother. They've been at your house since November. Come on,
Right.
you can afford
them
to
back.
go and drop those things off where they need to be. Let
Then,
go.
Umam Lilian.
Cut your. Yeah, boy, you're going to. Is she still alive? We client. Umam Lilian also has to go.
Yeah.
All right. But then you also have to apologize and say to her, you are not going crazy. I was doing these things behind your back. I could not let go of my ex. I did not drop all those clothes off. So, nyakolisa, mama. And then I hope ukuthi athumele lo mntanakhe othi azokufundisa ukuphila nabantu. Bye bye, Anonymous.
Okay.
Anonymous, continue listening through the radio, okay?
Okay.
Much love, Anonymous. Much love.
Greetings, South Africa. My name is Walter Steenbok, SABC Sport Football.
It's Jaheim coming through with Age in a Factor. 3 minutes for you to come through and give advice to Anonymous, the Naked DJ, and Somizi are right here as well. Let's start here.
Hi, family. Umanqoba la Dave Tonai. Anonymous. The foundation of a relationship is to have a child. I don't know if you have a child or something. Get someone who will have a child so that your focus can be at least on a baby, you know. But this one, she won't give you anything. You won't go anywhere. It's just for fun. Then the ends are no mama's high. It's just for fun. And the example, if you're done with it, just close the page. Close the whole book, actually, and move on. Start a new book somewhere, you know. You need that. You need to refresh now, to recoup. Start afresh. Cancel everything. You won't forget about them, but eventually you'll get someone who's good for you.
Morning, guys. Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Anonymous. Mfowethu sound ngathi out a grand prayers, but you're wasting your time, bruh, about this old lady. What future can you build with someone who's at their 50s, bruh? You're still young, bruh. Just cut, block everything, brother, and focus on your own. Just focus on yourself, bruh. The right person will come in the right time, brother.
Hi, Anonymous. Listen, don't call the woman crazy. I agree with Naked 100%. You are doing what she's suspecting you're doing. If you are mature enough, you will indicate that to her. And yes, I agree with the advice. Call off the relationship. If you want to go back to your ex, go back to your ex. But it's probably best to also cut that off. But this mature lady that's older than you doesn't deserve what you are doing to her. Okay, no matter how good it rains, brother. Thank you.
Thank you.
Naked, no so easy. And I'm telling you gotta tell the truth. And there's the impact. I just feel like he still wants his ex back. How can you have closed the ex since November? But anyway, vele akaphume kumama umdala, akaphume kumama Lilian, akaphume. It's not gonna end well. I dated someone older than me.